This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Joe Petno. Property priced below market value. See attached easy addendums. Fantastic 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 1 level home. Split bedroom layout. Open and spacious floor plan. Tiled floors throughout. Vaulted ceilings. Granite in kitchen and bathrooms. Kitchen has lots of cabinets and has all stainless steel appliances, along with side-by-side refrigerator and pantry. Nest thermostat. Large main suite with walk-in closet, double vanities and garden tub and separate shower. Covered patio. Fenced-in yard. Walk-in utility. Culligan whole home water softener. Faux wood blinds. No HOA located in an X-flood zone. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe Petno at 239-910-1633.